Hello, everybody, and hopefully have a good one wherever you're out there. Today, we're going to be talking about the Lucid Gravity. Now, if you don't know about the Lucid car company, it's a luxury high-end electric car company. Their strategy is to just give you bonkers numbers, right? They give you 1,000 horsepower, best range, a lot of comfort, a lot of luxury. And that's their strategy. It's not a car company that started making, cheaper cars and moving their way up. They're not doing the whole, like, I don't know, making a Corolla, they're making a Camry, and they're making a Lexus. No, they're going immediately into luxury. It's getting to that point where I really feel like it's like a spec car. Like they don't make that many. It's obviously there's a production line, etc., but it feels like almost only a custom car in the sense. They're fantastic, they're luxurious, and they're very capable. The Lucid Air, this car company, Lucid Air, they make different cars. The Lucid Air, for example, that one, the Lucid Air. It didn't get the best range. I think it had the highest range, EPA range, something like 400 something miles. It has 1,020 horsepower. It charged what was it? I think 300 miles was charged in under 20 minutes in a DC fast charger, or maybe in 20 minutes, something around there. So it won a lot of awards, and here in North California. But I think this car company is onto something because their cars are fast, they're luxurious, and what else do you need? I mean, this is the recipe that manufacturers like Mercedes Benz live by, right? You get performance, you get speed, and you get quality. Now, from the makers of that, they're making Lucid. From the makers of the Air, they're making the Gravity, which an SUV is going to share. Okay, and this is because there's no information about the Gravity out. Okay, I believe it's going to share a lot from the Air. Okay, so the Lucid Air. See, they even mention Lucid Air lineup now complete. They double lot. They're talking about it here in their website. You're free to read it. I'm getting information, by the way, from lucidmotor.com. So I believe they're going to have a lot of Lucid Air technology in the SUV. And this is, by the way, a performance luxury SUV. Not a lot of information available. They have a little video, like a YouTube video, showing this car. I'm just gonna fast forward because like a lot of nonsense, like the moon and some stars shooting down, and that I did it up. But when you look at it, there you go. The seats. I'm gonna pause it right here to see the seats. They're very. I mean, first of all, they have the logo, that bear logo, which is it's in the California flag. The seat, they almost, I mean, to me, that looks like what? Almost fall down all the way. I mean, so obviously the centerpiece is here. Maybe this car is going to be used to chauffeur people. And what better way to be chauffeured around in this luxury? I mean, you have a whole this space. It feels like, I mean, I think it looks fantastic, to be honest with you. All that glass, the roof, the surrounding. That's what luxury is all about. Look at all that. And nice. It's really, really nice. And I'm fast forwarding because the video has some lady dropping, I don't know, descending from the sky. Another thing to show you, this right here, the glass roof. I don't know how it's going to work because, this car is, again, they keep mentioning California, but in California is quite sunny. And I don't know how this is going to work out with the sun. Maybe the roof will dim. There'll be some way to dim the glass. And we know glass is heavy, so basically this car will be heavy, not because it has glass, because it's electric, and it's probably going to carry a good amount of batteries. And so it will be heavy, but it will perform for sure. It would definitely perform. And I'll tell you why it will perform, because I have a hint of it here too. I show more of the internal. I just think it's a beautiful car. It really is. And the reason I think it will perform, again, look at the interior. There you go. That's the bear right there. Okay. Nice. I mean, again, it's high-end quality built, what they're thriving after. And it looks like really luxury to me. Again, the seat, they're really emphasizing the seat. The lady, there you go, descending from the moon, whatever. She's lying and da-da-da-da. But anyway, so that performance seat, there you go, right here. That's why I think it's going to be performed, because they're going to show this car just taking off. Stand still and goes zoom. So obviously they are emphasizing it will perform. Now the performance, I think, is going to be something in around the Lucid Air, the 1,000 something horsepower. And when you think about it, this car is going to be heavy, it's going to be fast, it's going to be luxurious. It'll probably be quite a nice place to be in. It'll probably be comfortable. So anyway, that's all we have information about the Lucid Gravity. They're saying sales are taking orders. So according to the article, they're taking orders. There you go. Reservation for the Lucid Gravity will open in North America in early 2023, ahead of customer deliveries in 2024. Deliveries to Europe and the Middle East will follow. In the meantime, watch for early testing update. They will no doubt provide performance numbers and heard of the world of SUV. That's a very bold statement. They are looking to break records with this car. So be on the lookout for the Lucid Gravity. I think it will be a fantastic car. Good luck for Lucid. Hopefully they do well. And if you are thinking about purchasing one, hey, let us know what you think about it in the comments below. I'm pretty sure the price of this car, it will be somewhere, because if you look at the lineup, the Pure is 87,000, the Touring is 107, Grand Touring 140, the Sapphire $250,000. I think we'll probably get close to the Sapphire in range, and maybe between the Grand Touring and Sapphire. That will be my estimate. If it's more than the Sapphire, then hey, they even makes it more exclusive. So anyways, good luck for Lucid, and as always, take care out there, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.